Yeah.
Money though.
What problem, man? Problem.
Boy, yeah, it's no problem. How can I problem at all?
Me I look at $4 for borrow.
$4.
No, no, $4 man.
Yo, your money now a nice, you know.
Me I go pay back, man. I promise you that.
You will say, yeah, I'm not thinking, no, I don't have no money, youth.
You have it, man. Check, man.
My youth.
That's how Jamaican turn on. When they don't have it, they have it. Did it, man? Look, man.
What you mean I say now? If we lend your money right now, we make our money.
As daylight.
No, no move.
Alright. Watch your money, them.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, money.
4. First thing tomorrow night, man. Alright.
Alright, do you
Say nothing.
Dan, make sure, you may say. Make sure we get more money.
Me say, man, don't worry about that. As the clock strike tomorrow, daylight.
We don't want to check up for money tomorrow in the youth.
No fret about that, man. Money is no problem to me.
Bunny down, what go on, sir?
Boy, me tell me, boy.
Yo, me a check for you to get money from when, Dan. Where your money there, Dan?
I know somebody can link you out.
Where your money there?
No, I've none and I don't know. You know, say, one little incident going on and you're going to run off with everything.
You see, there for you come borrow money, me tell you say no. Me need the money the next day, you know. I say, me I get the money, you know. And for that, I can't see, you know.
No worry, man. I'll get back that soon. Because I get a piece of food a morning, so I can just go link you a morning.
Tomorrow morning, me and me had to wait for the money by a certain time.
What time tomorrow?
Set time when you come borrow it, set time, carry back your money.
Alright, I reach an hour early.
What do you know?
I want to go back to country.
Yeah, I don't tell you, I know you want to go up and go look for your family and thing, but here what? You get a piece of money from when and you just dodge me.
So when I go get it?
Every time I check you with money, you with a base style thing. So, never idea though. But more want you, the more want you. In the run the corner around us. But if you see me, you go dodge off your money and do one bag of different thing. But more just walk past you because it's like you're sexy and thing, mom knows saying go and go and chat to you. Come and chat to you since you don't want to chat to no broke pocket man.
Right,
and
yeah,
and if you say have money, then we show you money because you know the talking. You know?
You say?
Action over words.
Right.
Just do that alone.
You ready now?
Yeah man, go on the corner, run the corner send them. Me forward my time.
Alright then.
You get money if you go back country and something. You can buy KFC.
Alright.
And data. Nobody touch your bumper, you know.
Yeah, I got money, girl. Don't worry about that. I just came back from England. Yeah, girl. I spend it in US. I want to spend it on... Hold for me. Hold for me. Empress.
Yes, sir.
Wow, I like that body there.
Yeah, I'm gonna like broke pocket, man.
You don't worry about broke pocket, man. They got money, so money here. Don't worry about the pants. A money talk, bullshit walk, you see me?
Yes, sir, make it work then.
What you mean, baby?
Yo, look at right time I see it a bumper. Yo, let me come find
Boy, it's a pity. It's a world, it's a setup. It's here for the 4 the eye. Alright.
What's alright?
Boy, I tell you. Empress!
If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you head on over right now and subscribe. We are uploading new content ever so often. You don't want to miss a moment of it. So do remember, subscribe and hit that notification bell right now.